Hey there, everyone. Welcome to today's Explainer. We are heading out on a phonics and fun adventure right now to discover a brand new letter together. So let's get those listening ears totally ready. Are you ready to learn a new letter today? Okay, let's dive into this. It's the letter F. Can you say F out loud for me right now? I'll give you a second. Wow, great job. You got it. It's F. All right, moving into section 1, the sound of F. You know, letters aren't just random shapes on a page. They're actually special sounds we use to build, well, literally all the words in the world. And we've got 2 different ways this particular letter can look when we're reading or writing it. Over on the left side, check out the big capital F. Look how tall and strong that is, right? It's got those 2 perfectly straight lines reaching right out to the side. And then right next to it on the right, we have the lowercase f. Notice how it's just a little bit smaller, and instead of a straight line at the very top, it has this beautiful little curve. It almost looks like the top of a candy cane, doesn't it? But here's the really cool secret. Even though they look pretty different, they are the exact same letter and they make the exact same sound. So what does this all mean? Well, the absolutely crucial point here is knowing what that sound actually is. The letter F makes a very special sound. It goes exactly like this. Honestly, doesn't that sound just like the wind blowing through the trees on a breezy day? Just like the wind blowing. I want you to try it with me right now. Just tuck your bottom lip a tiny bit under your top front teeth and simply blow out some air. Ready? You can even hold your hand up gently in front of your mouth to feel the actual wind you're making. Next up, section 2. F is for friends. Let's meet some fun animal pals. And here's our very first friend, fish. F-I-S-H. Fish. F is for, you guessed it, fish. Did you catch that windy f sound right at the very beginning there? Fish. Just imagine a really beautiful, colorful fish swimming right through the bright blue water, swishing its little tail back and forth. You can even put your hands together and make a little swimming fish right now if you want. Let's say it one more time, together. Fish. Okay, let's see who's next. Our next friend is frog. Let's say it together, but let's really stretch out that starting sound so we can clearly hear it. Frog. Now, what do frogs love to do more than literally anything else? They love to jump. So I want everyone watching to stand up right now. Yep, right where you are, just stand up tall. We're gonna hop like a happy green frog together. Ready? Hop, hop, hop. Oh my goodness, awesome job, my little frogs. And now for section 3, let's write F. Get those magic pointer fingers way up high in the air, or, if you happen to have a piece of paper and a trusty crayon nearby, grab that instead. We're gonna write this together. So step 1, we're gonna start right at the top and just pull a straight line all the way down to the bottom. Good. Step 2, we go back up to the very top of that tall line we just made and draw a straight line out across to the side. Excellent. Now for the final piece, step 3, we go about halfway down our first big line and we draw one more, slightly shorter line right in the middle, going across exactly like the top one. And boom, you did it! Just look at that perfect capital F you just made. You are absolutely a writing superstar. Man, we have covered so much ground today. You've learned all about the letter F, you completely mastered that breezy f sound, we met our swimming fish and hopping frog friends, and you even wrote the letter yourself. Seriously, fantastic job today, friends. But before we completely wrap up this explainer, I want to leave you with a quick question to think about. What was your favorite F word today? Was it fish? Was it frog? Or maybe just the word fun? Think about it. And hey, make absolutely sure you use that f sound when you say your answer. Keep practicing that whine sound. Make sure to hit that subscribe button for our next letter adventure, and I'll see you next time.